Good afternoon, my viewers, based on where you are watching me. Today I will be making this recipe. I will be cooking jollof rice. As you can see, my turkey and my onions and the pepper, I've already put it on the inside the pot. So I will be adding my Maggi, my sauce, my salt. So I will cover it. My turkey is already done. Hello guys, I will be grinding my pepper. Hello guys, my groundnut oil is already hot, so I will be adding my sweet tomato stock, tomato paste. So I will be adding my blended tomatoes and pepper. I will be adding my nutmeg, my curry, so I will add my bay leaf, so I will be adding my Maggi and my turkey, the water I used to dice the turkey water, that is the turkey boiling turkey water. So I will be adding it to this. I will give it like 30 minutes to boil before I will put the rice inside. So I just put my rice inside the stew. So I will mix everything together. This is Nigeria jollof rice. My viewers, please follow me or subscribe. And my TikTok viewers, please share your idea with me. This is called Nigeria jollof rice. So I will cover it. As you can see, my rice is ready. This is Nigeria recipe. They call it Nigeria jollof rice. This is one of the best jollof rice we have in Nigeria food. If you try it, when you try this, you eat one, you will come back to ask for more, because why is very, very delicious. Very, very, very delicious. Share your idea, like, comment, and follow me on my YouTube channel, and also follow me on my TikTok. My TikTok name is Joy Tomsy. My YouTube page is Joy Tomsy also, so that anytime I post a video, you will be the first person to see what I will be dropping. The Nigeria delicious, any type of food you want me to cook, just put it in my comment section. Bye.